Punasan mo yung lens mag-aano kasi yan.
Hawak mo. Kaman.
Mag-condense.
Luis.
Extend mo isa. In-extend mo. Tama na.
Ayun yung may
Maganda
view.
pala sa kabila.
Pero mas mahal yan eh.
Hindi parehas ng atin. Ito maganda, kanto.
Gusto mo try natin kung dyan lang sa tapat ililipat, okay sa akin.
Kala ko magkaiba ng rate.
Hindi. Ano nga yun? Re-request mo kung pwede yung... Minsan pwede yung complimentary upgrade eh. Lalo na kung may sinuselebrate tas available naman. Ay, oo nga, mabon na. Here, we're gonna have our breakfast here lang.
Alright, now it's ready. Seriously?
Dito na lang tayo sa labas.
Sige.
Dito na lang sa labas.
Another number, please.
21042.
Yoda.
Wait, check ko kung anong meron sa loob para kay Luis.
Etong steak and eggs, ano lang to? Walang rice na, no? Sige, yun na lang sa akin.
Hey, this is yours. That's Kuya's eh. You don't like it na? Sige. Lagay mo na pala dito. You want donuts, Kuya? Ay, juice. Kuha mo si Lucas na
Sige, saglit.
Here.
You want this?
Please stand up here. Day 2. Say day 2.
Day 2.
You don't need sunblock anymore because there's no
Sun.
to block. Remove your shirt, Luis.
Wear your vest muna, kuya.
Beach first. And then we will go swimming in a pool.
No, pool first because it's raining.
The beach is raining.
The other one. No, it's here. Oh. See?
Is it warm the water?
Tutok mo sa kanya.
To stop my breath, my head on your chest, waiting to cave in. From the bottom of my hear your voice again. Could we dim the sun and wonder where we've been? Maybe you and me, so kiss me like you did. My heart stopped beating, such a softer sand. In your eyes, I lost my place. Could stay a while, and I'm melting in your eyes like my first time that I caught fire. Just stay with me, lay with me now.
Go get pizza ka na muna.
Okay.
What do you want?
Some pepperoni.
Pitira na naman to mga topping.
Cereal lang kasi yun kanina kaya.
Hindi, tsaka pag nagsiswimming, nakakagutom naman talaga. Ako nagugutom ako pag nagsiswimming.
After this one, I'm gonna swim. Well, after the pizza. Can I have a pepperoni?
Here's your pepperoni. Come here. One more pepperoni.
Hi, can I have pizza?
Pepperoni. Thank you, ate Panalo. Para akong uminom ng tunaw na Oreo. What do you want, Luis?
Pizza. Small pieces with pepperoni.
This is pepperoni.
Pizza.
Balang.
Thanks. Alright, I'm done. Hey, Tatay, can you have a small pizza?
Okay, small pizza. What are you doing?
Small pizza.
Ay! Oh no, this is dirty na.
And one more.
Bite it muna. Lucas, faster. Come on.
Reason why I didn't see the bird because I didn't want to get cold. Yeah.
Shower na. Ganito pa ako paglabas din. Pwede na.
Let's go, let's go.
Go! Take a rest muna, then later again.
Never caught my breath. Every second I'm without you, I'm a mess. Ever know each other? Trust these words are stones. Why kept on healing? Learning how to love, I'm melting in your eyes. I lost my place. Could stay a while, and I'm melting in your eyes like my first time that I caught fire. Just stay with me, lay with me, lay with me, lay with me. You can stay and watch me fall, and of course I'll ask for help. Just stay with me now. We can take our hands, I'll stay in bed. Just make love, that's all. Just stay with me now. I'm melting. I'm melting.
No entry. Wait, stop. No entry.
No entry.
No, you can walk here on the side.
In your eyes, I lost my place. Could stay a while, and I'm melting in your eyes like my first time that I caught fire. Just stay with me, lay with me.
Say hi, kuya. Luis, say hi.
Hi.
Say happy birthday, nanay. Look at the camera. Look here at the camera. Happy birthday, nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Kuya, come here. Say happy birthday, nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
In your eyes, I lost my place. Could stay a while, and I'm melting in your eyes like my first time that I caught fire. Just stay with me, lie with me.
Itong beef ragu, anong sauce nito? Red. Pati itong pasta marinara, no?
Let's sleep till the sun burns out. I'm melting in your eyes. Let's sleep till the sun burns out. I'm melting in your eyes.
Cheers, Nay. Happy birthday to you. Open your gift na, Nay.
Happy
Kahit ano sa camera.
birthday,
Sabi ko sa iyo eh.
Galing!
Gusto mo ba yung gift ko, Nay? Sabihin mo sa camera. Do you like my gift?
Yes, I like it.
Kuya, pwede naman tissue. Ako hindi.
Shot mo sa akin.
Hi.
Hindi na. Ay, order. Order ka pa? Wala na. Shot mo sa akin.
Salamat, kuya. May last order pa daw kayo? No na?
Hindi na, kuya. Hindi na. Thank you,
Room charge na lang, kuya.
Parang charge pa lang, kuya.
Happy birthday, nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Thank you! Hindi ko makita. Ito yung ano ko, una ko yatang sinukat.
Yan. Yan, kita na.
We're just doing the
Lay
most
down. Yeah.
We're just doing the most random ones.
Can you check yung kamay?
Check.
Yeah. So, what day is this? 2?
Yeah, day 2.
Day 2 is nanay's birthday.
Yeah.
Say happy birthday to Nana.
Happy birthday,
Nana.
Thank you.
Same as last night, Luis is already sleeping na. So what do you like about this day? All that happened today.
Maybe the beach.
Ako, I like the pool. For me, I think for me, that's the best pool I've ever seen in all the hotel that we've stayed. And the restaurant is just at the side, so when you need something, you just stay on the side. So I really like the design of the pool. It is my number one pool of all the resorts we've been. How about Nanay? What ano nagustuhan mo ngayong araw na to?
I like tatay's gift.
The gold?
The gold necklace.
Yeah.
Akala ko nga alam mo na yun eh. Tapos natuwa ako nung na-surprise ka kanina. Tapos kanina yung mukha mo, ang saya-saya mo. Talaga natuwa
Hindi ito
ako.
yung in-expect ko. Kasi nga in-expect ko yung isa. I like it.
I got
Thank
the
you,
reaction that
Tata.
I want. Ano pa ba? Kahit ano, no? Kahit maulan yung birthday mo maghapon,
At least may window na ko.
Hindi, tsaka nag-enjoy pa rin tayo. Ako nag-enjoy ako eh. I mean, may mga we do have some rough patches on the day because of the rainy weather. But nalulungkot nga ako na baka di ka nag-enjoy kasi birthday mo. Pero nung nakita ko yung reaction mo sa regalo, okay na ba? So that's it for day 2. And we'll see you again tomorrow for last whole day ng stay dito.
Full day. But we're...
At least bukas na lang. Pahinga na lang talaga. Kasi ngayon, parang andun pa yung wait na birthday mo eh. At least bukas wala na tayong intindihan. We're here just for the relaxation. Say goodbye na. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
That's all for day 2. Say all.
That's all for day 2.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.